Okay. So how did you do question number 44, Sarthak?
In question number 44, so Anmol's chart paper's area is 90 into 40, so 3600. And then Abhishek's chart paper area is 50 into 70, so 3500. So Anmol's chart paper will cover more of the table by 100 centimeters square.
Great. So 100 centimeter square is the answer. Which will cover more area on the table?
Chart paper.
This is Anmol. This is Abhishek. So the first part answer is Anmol. And by how much is 100 centimeters square? Great. Question number 45, Sarthak.
So area of the rectangular park is 60 into 3, so 180 meters squared. And then area per square tile is 25 into 25, so 6.25 meters.
Okay.
And then number of tiles used will be 180 divided by 6.25. So
Okay.
28.8 tiles will be used. And the number of tiles per row will be 60 divided by 6.25.
Okay.
So 9.6 tiles will be used per row. And number of rows will be 0.25 into 3, so 0.75.
Okay. Okay. So your path is 60 meter length. So I've made a mistake here. So I'm writing the length of the path as 600 centimeter. No, it would be 6,000 centimeter. 6,000 centimeter. It is 60 meter. So 60 into 100 would be 6,000 centimeter. Now this needs to be covered by square tiles of side 25 centimeter. So this is a square tile and this is 25 centimeter each. So let us calculate calculate how many tiles will be there in one row along the width. So this is my width and how many tiles would be there. So this is 25 and this is 300. So 300 divided by 25. So 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 0 the 5 1 the 2 the. Sarthak, is it okay?
So I still don't understand by 300.
See, this is 3 meter width. So I have converted the 3 meter into 300 centimeter. Is that doubt still?
So I couldn't hear you for a second.
The width is 3 meter. I have converted the 3 meter into 300 centimeter.
Okay,
Have
sir.
you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So this width of the path is 300 centimeter. And width of my tile is 25 centimeter. So I will need to place 12 tiles like these. 12 tiles like these. Have you got it? Width wise. Is it okay
Yes,
or not?
sir.
So how many such rows will be there? So basically what will start happening is that You have a row like this, then you have a row like this, you have a row like this. Basically, all of these are tiles. So there will be 12 rows like these. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So we have done this, we have done this. Find a number of tiles used to make the path. Now I have the area of the path. The area of the path is 6000 into 300. And I'll divide that by the area of this 25 into 25. And this will give me the answer. So once I have to cancel this, so this 25 into 300 would be 12. This would be 25 to the 50, 25 for the. So this will be 240 into 12. So this will be 12, 0, the 12, 4, the 48, 12 to the 24, 288 times. Sarthak, have you got this answer? 2880 times?
I got 28.8.
So then there is some mistake. Because the total area is 6000 into 300.
So I got 28.8 meters. So.
No, it can't be 28.8 meters. No. These are the number of tiles.
So you did it in centimeters. So
Yeah.
just checking.
See the number of tiles. This is centimeter square upon centimeter square. So the answer that you have got should be 2880 tiles. It is neither meter square nor centimeter square. This answer 2880 is actually the number of tiles. Is there any doubt still?
No, sir. I got 28.8. So I'll check mine.
Yeah. This is the answer that you should get 2880. There is some mistake that you have done in the conversion. Okay. Question number 46. How to do question number 46?
So in question number 46, so the side of the square slab is 90 centimeters. That means the area per slab will be 90 into 90. So 8100 centimeters, which is equal to 81 meters. So square slabs needed will be 81 divided by 81. So only one tile will be needed.
Okay. So my tile is 90 centimeter by 90 centimeter. The floor area is 81 meter square. So what I have done is I have converted the meter square into centimeter square. And the easiest way of converting the meter square into centimeter square is, so for example, I have 81 meter square. I will write this as 100 into 100 centimeter square. Sarthak, is there a problem?
So I didn't understand. It should only be into 100, right?
Yeah. So 81 meter square, there is a meter square here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So there is a 100 centimeter square here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
And that 100 centimeter square is 100 into 100. Is there a problem still?
So then it should be 81 into 100 into 100 centimeters, right?
Yeah,
You added the square.
yeah. You can write this as 81 into 100 into 100. It is one and the same thing. Is
Yes,
there a
sir,
doubt?
but you wrote 81 into 100 centimeters square.
Yeah. So what should I write?
So it should be 81 into 100 into 100 centimeters, right?
No, why it should be centimeter?
So because we divided the square into 100 into 100. Right?
Yeah, you are right.
So
So
the
this will
square
be,
should remain.
I'm sorry.
So then the square shouldn't be there, only the 100 into 100 should be there.
Yeah, it is 100 into 100. But then this centimeter is coming twice. Because I can write this as 81 into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So this is my 100 and 100 and this is my centimeter square.
Oh, okay, sir. I understood.
So this is my centimeter square. This is my centimeter square. This will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. And my answer would be 100 tiles. Is there a doubt still?
No, sir, I forgot to add the square.
Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
So for example, if you have 1 meter cube and you want to convert that into centimeter cube. So what you can do is, one way of understanding, a very simple way of understanding this is that this is 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Because I can write 1 meter cube, I can write 1 meter cube as 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Sarthak, have you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
So this will be 1 meter cube is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter cube. Sarthak, is there a doubt still?
No, sir.
So this is a bit, this conversion is a bit typical. I think in class 7th you will be doing a lot of sums. So this conversion is actually done in class 7th. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Question 44, 45 and 46. Sarthak, is there a doubt in any of these three questions?
No, sir.